disappears. My only wish is to be with you this Valentine. You know that you're the one that I've been dreaming of, the girl that I must live forever. I need you like I do, it's the color of my world. For me this world is worth living. My only wish is Valentine, is to hold you tight and spend it tonight. Maybe you understand what's this song you're falling for us. I'll put it on your shoulder. Once the light is shining over your hair, disappears. My only wish is to be with you this Valentine.
This is the day and this is the moment, as I see it in my text messages that I sent. I went to the place where the two of us can date. I went there early so I will not be late. It's the day, it's the day, and this is the time. Hey girl, you'll be my Valentine, and I will be yours and you will be mine for a couple of minutes. All those pain and sadness, all of those I forget. I wait till you came. When I see you, my eyes went burst of burst. You look beautiful today, and you are so sexy, and you are so hot. Yeah, you are so hot, yeah, hotter than the flame. Yeah, my heart feels the same. So you know I have something to tell you, girl. You know that I like you, and I have a crush on you. And this is the moment that you should know about these feelings.